Aruba non sta conversando com Doñonan de bar aqui na Eustis que ainda invita nós rubiando não para bem toca e nós queremos saber um pouquinho de que coisa tá na motivação para bem para trazer banda e com experiência abai. We're here with Dan and Nancy. We just saw the performance of Sus3, our Aruba guys.
Yep.
How did this come across? How does this come about?
Well, we recognized them from down in a bar that we go to a couple times a week that they play at. And we
love them.
Yeah, we just fell in love with their music and their personalities and everything. They just fabulous.
And from finding them fabulous, how does it go to having them in your bar?
We heard that they were coming to Florida, and we're like, "Can you come see us? We have a new bar. We would love to have you come play." So yes, we're so excited to have them here.
Awesome. They played yesterday, tonight, and also tomorrow. What is the feedback that you got from your clients and your personal opinion about their performance?
Absolutely awesome. Yeah, people are coming back tomorrow night that were here tonight. So, and yesterday they're coming back tomorrow night to make sure they see them before they go home.
Awesome.
Nothing but great comments about them all the way around. I mean, there was nothing they could have done anything better than what they did.
So we can expect them back?
Oh yes, we are hoping that they're going to work out where they can do tours of the eastern United States, because they went up to Detroit originally, then came down here. We'd love to see them have kind of a circuit that they could come in and then visit us at least once a year. We'd love to have them there.
Awesome. A little birdie told me that you guys have a house in Aruba, so I assume you love Aruba. What do you guys like about Aruba?
We love it because it's friendly, the water's good, people are wonderful. It's just one place you don't have to worry about being robbed or taken advantage of. Yes, peace of mind for sure. And we take our children and our grandchildren down, and they love it too. So something that we can pass on to them, and they'll really enjoy.
Great. Well, on behalf of the people of Aruba, we want to thank you for opening your doors, for having Aruban talent. We know Aruba's small, so I know these musicians love it to expose their talent abroad.
That's
Thank you
great,
so
yes,
much.
yes.
We have so enjoy having them here.
It's been fabulous. Awesome. Absolutely fabulous.
It was absolutely wonderful. The diversification that these guys sung was fantastic. Every song was great beat, great vocalization, great musicality. I'll come again.
Now you have to go to Aruba to see them there.
I'd like to go to Aruba. I'd like to. Invite me? Are you going to invite me? Can I go with you?
Of course.
Then I'm going with you.
I'm going in a few weeks, so we'll go.
Okay! Send me the ticket. Oh my.
Aruba is kita proprietário ng The Uncorked Wine Bar, bar mais bonito mas dedicado especialmente na vinha e aqui nanta onde nós rubiano na oportunidade para toca 3 à noite seguir dado momento Huracán Milton ahead par dia passar e naturalmente está pendente para o axita baidor of não, pero tudo tocaram a baidor e o público a goza e doina a goza que me seguro Aruba a representar aqui na Florida, USA. Para 24horas.com, mita Mark-Benson Denz, nos está prometendo notícias.